Bring it on.
Okay, I have a question for you. Yeah. So you said you were flirting with Alia in the movie, the scene. So in real life, did you flirt with any girl, and yes, who was she?
I've probably tried, but I'm not really a very good flirt. Like almost, because probably I've grown up on films in school, I've almost gone and done stuff. I always feel like my life is like a sitcom or like some, like Friends or something is going on. I've gone to a girl and like very confident said, I love you. I'm not saying my friend is saying he's over there. Like I've done stuff like that. I've not really had the confidence to go and directly hit on a girl, I think. But in Humpty, I think that full जो अंदर की जो बात है वो बाहर निकाला है मैंने. जितना भी flirting जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ, I've taken it out of this film.
You worked with Alia before in Student Number 1. Student Update.
Student Number 1.
I wish it was called Student Number 1. Was there a film called Student Number 1? There was? Serious?
And now in this movie, so tell me, did the chemistry or friendship grow to some other level?
I think me and she were very comfortable with each other before we started the film. What's strange is that when the camera was rolling, I would forget that there's a camera on. And me and she would just start acting in that sense. So there are a lot of times where there's some scene actually where she's fallen in the take.
Yeah.
She actually fell down.
Yeah.
There are a lot of things in Humpty. I think there's out of 100%, at least 30% to 35% is what is improvised and what actually goes on between us.
Hi, Varun and Alia. I have a question. आपका जो गाना है सैटरडे ये बहुत पहले बाहर आ चुका था, तो इसको आपकी मूवी में इन्वॉल्व करने का रीजन क्या था?
क्योंकि I think the tonality of that song is so fit for Humpty and Kavya. और Saturday yes, it is a hit song up north. But we actually we were listening to it when we were doing the first look test of our film. So to get the song to actually be a part of our film, that's a very big thing for us, because the song, you know the way Badshah is rapping, he's talking about this girl who's from Ludhiana, she's wearing sarojini ki kapde, all these things really fits the tonality of the film. So I feel like it works.
Hi Varun. Hello sir. So you are acting any other Telugu remake movie?
Something has come out, let's see. I mean, something is there. My father is in a long association with the South industry. So let's see, something might be there in the pipeline in the future.
Actually, we had come on rumor that you are acting Ray Dura in
Allu Arjun. Surinder Reddy sir.
Yeah, is it true?
It's too soon to talk about it. I think there's still time. I don't think I should comment right now. Yeah, I've seen the film. It's a damn good film. Allu Arjun is superb in it.
It is for both of you. Alia, you're 7 movies old and Varun, you're 3 movies old. So how have you done as a person? And have you made friends and enemies in the industry? And what do you think about the industry?
I think definitely there's been a growth. Hopefully it's been positive only. But what's happened is that I think like any youngster who gets into working, whatever profession it is, just handling your personal life and your professional life gets stuck sometimes. Your parents don't understand why you're coming home late, why you're not eating some meals at home. So balancing that with your family gets difficult, making people understand why you're busy gets difficult. And I think when you're in the public view, being responsible, for me it's being responsible. Because as a child I wasn't that responsible, I was very irresponsible. I would just go sit down anywhere, do anything, not care. But now when there are so many eyeballs on you, you have to try and put up that image that, okay fine, you know, I can walk, talk and take care of myself. So that is a bit heavy, I guess, sometimes. See, I'll say this on record that all my friends that were, before I became an actor, still are my friends, my school and college friends. They remain my friends till date and hopefully they'll remain my friends till I die.
When I started working, started shooting for student, I was 17, 18 years old. I'm 21 now. So honestly, because this is like a period where probably I'm growing up, it has been a strange experience for me. I've like grown up too quickly, then I feel like a child sometimes, and I grow up too quickly, then I feel like a child sometimes. And it has been different. I have felt a change in my personality, but I've also felt a growth as an actor. I've learned a lot. I've had the privilege of working with Karan, Imtiaz, Abhishek and Shashank, all of which who are very, very talented directors, and I've learned a lot from all of them. So I'm really happy with the choices that I've made so far. And as for making friends, and hopefully I've not made any enemies, or nobody thinks I'm the enemy, but I have made some very, very strong friends who I feel will always have my back and always help me whenever I'm down.
This is a question to both of you all. Did you all face any pressure after SOP right now as an actor?
Definitely, I think, SOP was perceived as this very glamorous, over cool film, and where people, we did get a lot of positivity. We got great fan following from children and different stratas of society. But at the same time, we did get a lot of flack and negativity about people were like, can they act? Can any of these three act? So I guess that was something that I think which Alia did wonderfully in Highway, Sid did in Hasi, and I hope I proved that in Maitreya Hero as well. So I think that was a battle. But I think if there isn't any challenge, then that's your right, I guess.
Alia, this is a question to you. If you had to choose between Varun and Siddharth, who would you choose?
She's got a superb answer.
Arjun is also no.
Nah.
Arjun, Siddharth or Varun, who would it be? Probably a biryani over here for the evening, Saturday evening, or
Halim. I love Halim. I don't feel like on a day-to-day basis you'll be choosing between your friends or saying that, oh, I had more fun with this friend on Friday than compared to that friend on Monday. So I don't think I would compare any of them. But Varun and Siddharth are like my left and right arm. So I'll never be able to choose between both of them. And Arjun is like my fingers. I don't know. It's like my palm or something. And Ranveer the other palm.
if you had to, what is your preference for your naughty side of the film? Your Dulha.
My naughty side?
What the naughty side for your Dulha? How would it be?
Dulha.
Your Dulha.
What the qualities I would like in my Dulha?
How would you choose your Dulha?
Okay. My Dulha, I feel like I strongly believe in soulmates. So I feel like whenever I find the Dulha, he'll be like a person that is my best friend, who probably I'm my most self with. Because I'm a very secretive person that way. I don't really give in and reveal too much about myself. So the day I do that completely with that person, then I know that he's the perfect Dulha.
Alia is very boring. I'm sorry I'm saying this, but she's very boring. दूल्हा है उसको उसके पास बॉयफ्रेंड भी नहीं है अभी. तो कोई हैदराबाद में है उसकी उम्र का अगर आपको बहुत है. Why have you bothered your end? Yeah, you should watch her also. She keeps complaining that I don't have a boyfriend.
I don't complain. What about Varun?
Relax.
Why did you complain here?
Because I'm actually busy with
Varun, Hyderabadi girls के साथ चलते क्या?
Hyderabadi
लड़की के साथ चलते क्या? वहाँ चलेंगे.
मैं जाऊँगा 100%. मैं
हलीम खाएंगे, चाय पीएंगे.
See right now.
आप जान सकती हो किस तरह को?
I
wish I could give you a hug or remind you of someone in my life.
Who tell me?
My ex-boyfriend.
How sweet.
He's also fond of you a lot.
He also?
He's also very fond of you.
Okay, please tell him I said hi.
Yes, definitely.
You both know it personal. Okay. Sir, especially it is a Bollywood movie, right? So, that Tollywood also
This is an Indian film.
Okay, that's right. Indian film, but language is different.
Yeah.
So, how the response in AP, especially you come for a presentation, how is the response and how is the Siriba? यहाँ का collection कैसा रहेगा?
I think, see, for me, language is no barrier. For example, when I heard Kolaveri in Bombay, instantly I loved it. When I saw Ram Charan's first film, I saw it. At least people who are actively involved in film, we watch films, or if it's a Malayalam film, or a Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi, we try and watch all these cinemas and I enjoy it. I genuinely enjoy these films as well. So I think same way, we also have this rap, it's a Punjabi rap. If you hear it, once you hear these guys who do the Punjabi rap light, even I'm sure you will also start moving. So I think like love has no language. Same way this film has that sentiment of love, whether it's Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi, or Tamil, Telugu. If you feel the emotion in the eyes, you can connect with it. So I feel that this film can really do well over there. Nowadays, yeah.
From 3 years, from 2 years, 1 year we see. Is it because Dharma Production wants to come into Tollywood industry, or a lot of females coming up, is it for that promotion? Or
I'll just connect you to Karan Johar. No, I don't. But we asked them this. We asked the CEO of Dharma this, and he said actually that Hyderabad as a place, as a territory, is really growing in terms of Nizam. I think earlier you only related them with Salman Khan. The Khan's films do really well over there. But I think nowadays, when Mankera Hero was concerned or Two States were concerned, these films did pretty good business here. So we were told that we do have some kind of people are interested in watching our films over here. So that's why we are here.
in one of your like that interview, I've read that you're very down to earth. You're just a guy next door, very hardworking.
I am very down to earth.
So I want to know that response from Alia as a co-star. Is he that down to earth?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, that's something that I like about him the most. That he's always very kind. He's like sometimes a bit like he's too pure. Like I feel that half time mein villain na nikle. Because he's such a nice person that and he always wants to do the right thing. Okay, whenever he thinks he's going wrong, he's like, I have to do the right thing. So no matter how tired he is, if somebody comes up to him, he'll say sorry, not right now, give me 2 minutes, and then he instantly feel bad and say, okay, come back. And he'll hug the person and take a picture. So whatever you hear about him being down to earth is all true.
So Alia,
See, from day one when I became an actor, I wanted to have like a direct relationship with the audience. I wanted to connect with them. It wasn't about getting the best reviews or making the most money. But as long as after I did a film and someone came and told me, "Hey, Varun, this film was good," I smiled, I enjoyed. Then it was fulfilling my creative thirst.
Yeah, when we came here, organizing the team said that Alia's leg has been fractured or something like that. Now we have so many days for the release, and why the production unit is so hurried to promote the movie because then she accidentally,
I'm not fractured my leg. I tore my calf muscle about 12 days ago. It was quite bad. I was on crutches and I was on a wheelchair. Now I'm off the crutches finally. And I feel like nowadays you need at least 1 month to promote a film, and especially now that there are so many films. Kick is coming 2 weeks after us, which will kick us out of the theatre. Ekvedan is coming tomorrow, so we need to really up our game in terms of reminding everybody that our film is releasing on the 11th of July. So like that, I have to go anywhere anyhow.
so hope you get it soon, Alia.
Thank you.
Just one question.
I've not got any offers yet, anything that has been worked upon as. But I genuinely, when I was in 2 states and I would speak in Tamil and speak in a different language, I would really feel very, very happy. And somebody told me that I think Alia, you have scope to work in, Tollywood and Collywood and all of that. So if I do get a good offer, I'll go for it immediately. NTR Junior. What were the Maniratnam? Only Telugu. So when you ready, I know he gives all his films are hits, so I would have to do that.
Who made Puri? Puri Jagannath. He is also legendary.
Puri Jagannath, yeah, of course, I've heard of Puri Jagannath. No, but I have a very close friend who lives in Hyderabad, and she keeps telling me that me and him should date. So I said, keep your information to yourself. Yeah, I know, that's why I said, please keep your information to yourself, because we look very nice together.
Guys, we take the last 2 questions.
There are a lot of young girls and guys who do local movies. Is there anything that you like?
Like to tell them.
My friends used to be like, I want Varun, I want
It's very overwhelming that we sit all the way in Mumbai and people are giving us so much love over here. All I can say is that we we come and we work hard only so that we can do this. Just because we are in Mumbai doesn't mean that we don't care or don't want to connect with fans over here. So we can just tell them all that we really love them and we're working hard for them.
Facebook what?
The jokes.
No, they don't want anything at all. I find them quite funny actually. Yeah. Oh my God, no way.
Oh yeah.
The last time you all worked together, it was a love triangle. And this time it was how it was working with this thing.
Close-up shots.
Exactly the fact that last time